Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, if your store is displaying an opening soon message, I'll show you how to remove it so customers can access your site. Let's get started. First, you have to access your Shopify account, and to do so, just go to your web browser and type in the search bar shopify.com. Click on it. Once the website appears, click on login, and if you haven't already logged in, just enter your account credentials and then log in. Now after logging in, go to online store here in the left hand sidebar and select preferences here. Now scroll down all the way down to password protection section and uncheck enable password here. Now, this option is only available when you pick a plan and pay for it. And to do so, just click on the ClickUp plan here. Click on it and choose the plan that is convenient for you. You can choose the basic plan that is for $1, the Shopify plan, or the advanced plan, or even the plus plan. It's the most expensive one, but it offers a lot of functionalities and perks. Now, once you choose the your plan, this you'll be able to uncheck this options right here to restrict access to visitors with the password. You'll be able to uncheck it, and you can leave even a message to your visitors. After you finish modifying this, and the opening soon message will be removed. If you haven't, if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.